Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to unlock LG washing machine door. First, wait for 1 to 2 minutes after cycle ends for the door to auto unlock. Ensure the washer is off and try pressing the power button again. Check if water is still in the drum, as LG locks the door until it drains. Now run a spin or drain cycle to remove any remaining water. Press and hold the start or pause button for 5 seconds to reset the lock. Then unplug the washer from the power for 5 to 10 minutes to allow a soft reset. Plug it back in and try opening the door once it reboots. You can use a manual release cord near the filter bottom panel if available. Call LG support if the door stays locked. There might be a sensor fault. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.